Okay, we're looking at Kiwi IRC, and we can see that Darren has been a busy beaver. Now, these are the dates and times of commits. Uh, we can also look at things like the size of a commit, how much was merged, how well they document what they do. This really helps us understand the code, particularly if we're going to go change something, add something. Um, you look at some of the functions that they add, we may want to remove because they were limiting, but if you need to get, you pull the Kiwi IRC Git, grab a copy of a, a viewer for Git. I'm using Git GUI here. And then understand what they're doing here. So they're using npm. So this program is very much Node. Now that's not really a problem here because we'll run thousands of these. No one of these web interfaces has to have a million people connecting to it. That's not at all necessary. In some ways, that may allow us to run it on a smaller, more limited server and run lots more of them. Even though I'm not a Node enthusiast, the key is to look and see how many Node modules they pulled in, and then wonder about whether it's possible for them to keep them all updated. Kiwi IRC web to IRC interface has a lot of support going on, as you can see. Some full-time devs and a good number of contributors, and that will assure us that they'll keep stuff up to date most likely. I've never heard a complaint. This is a very heavily used IRC to web interface. But we can grab and hack and chop this code any way we want and build some good relationships with the people who are contributors. Go into the IRC channel and talk with folks, and maybe hire a few folks, to help out here and there, and get a good usage going. But that kind of gives you an idea of they're very heavy into a lot of different languages and stuff, and making sure this interface works for everyone, which is unusual but wonderful. So that gives you an idea about viewing somebody's code in the Git and seeing what they've done, how long it took them to get it done. All the dates and times are here. So if you look at the bug list, you can see when a bug's put in and how long it took for it to get fixed, things like that. That's all.